long-term and short-term investment, which one is better? But before that, make sure to hit the red subscribe button to get regular content on finance and crypto. What is a long-term investment in crypto? Long-term investing is a method that typically holds an investment for more than 1 year. Typically, long-term investors are also passive investors. In other words, you don't buy or sell large quantities in a short period. Long-term investors can invest in stocks that increase in value, or they can invest in funds or ETFs for the long term. But in general, long-term investing is more of a set-and-forget approach. Strategies for long-term investment. There are a few different strategies, but the overall theme is about buy and hold. Keeping this in mind, here are some strategies for long-term investors. 1. Value investing. A strategy where an investor tries to buy a cryptocurrency for lower than its intrinsic value. 2. Growth investing. Investing in companies that you believe will exceed the overall market cap. 3. Dividend investing. Investing in firms that pay out dividends. What is a short-term investment in crypto? A short-term investment is a method that is usually held for less than 1 year. Short-term investors are often referred to as active traders or active investors. This means you buy and sell much more often than long-term investors. This can be several times a year, several times a month, or even several times a day. Short-term investors usually want to make a quick profit and don't plan to put an investment on hold but speculate on the market. These short-term investors will also have long-term investment portfolios elsewhere. You are probably using it for retirement or for other companies that want to invest in stocks and keep them for the long term. Strategies for short-term investment. Short-term investors look to buy and sell their holdings quickly to make a profit. So, here are a few common strategies for short-term investing. 1. Scalping. Buying and selling promptly in a day or multiple times within the same trading day. 2. Day trading. Investing to make those small profits that add up to a fortune. 3. Swing trading. Investments for a few days or weeks or even for a few months. Conclusion. Analyze market charts before getting into it. Well, after watching this video you must have got an idea about how to make money with cryptocurrency. To make a safe investment and to gain a profit you must research before investing. Twitter is the best source of information to rely on for the latest updates about the crypto industry. For instance, Crypto Capital recently tweeted about their opinion on the investment in the sandbox. It is vital to know the crypto before investing. You should thoroughly study the ups and downs of the market. One thing you must ensure: have your wallet ready before the journey starts. Make sure that you make all your strategies before investing. Picking up cryptocurrency is a crucial task that requires all the research and details. I hope you like the content. Please hit the red subscribe button and check out some more of our content on money making and investing.